Oh my gosh, you guys, it is launch day. Ashley and I are packaging. I recruited her. We have a lot of orders to fill, which, by the way, I am so thankful. The response has been amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to get these in your hands and trying them. And if you didn't see, I uploaded 3 videos to my YouTube channel in the last week about how to use the brushes. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. I can't even. I'm so excited. So, also, I'm about 500 subscribers short of 40,000. So make sure you're subscribed and you're following along. I took a screenshot of my subscribers who are watching the videos versus who is seeing them, and it's mostly suggested brand new people. So make sure that you're subscribed so you can see the upcoming tutorials of how to use the brushes, and also product reviews and tutorials of just hair in general. Anyway, I am so thankful. I want to let you guys know that it is launch day today, and I will put the link in the description for the website so you guys can watch and educate on which things you like and what you want to try. So thank you. Oh my god. I wanted you to see the brushes for yourself. So this is the Alto. It's for medium to coarse hair, like curly, coarse hair. And then you have the Treble. This is for like straight to wavy, curly hair, but just a finer texture. And then this is the Flat. And this one is for any hair type, and it has nylon and boar. So you can still get a good boar brush blow dry, but with a flat brush. And it has a wood handle. And then this is the Score. It is a mix of boar and nylon, but very comfortable up against your scalp. And this one is for scalp care, for applying dry shampoo, stimulating hair growth. It's one of the essentials. And the other essential is our Detangler. It's curved like the shape of your head. I use it for brushing out my wet hair, but then also brushing out my style when I curl it so that it doesn't undo my curls. And then of course we have clips. You're gonna need to be sectioning your hair when you blow dry, when you curl your hair, all the things. So these come in either all green or all gray, and you get to choose that at checkout.